Hello everybody, this is CHINAPADMALL. Today I'd like to make an interview of the big phone. It comes from Mpai Realty. The model number is I9200. The screen is 6.44 inch, very big. Here it is. Let's open the box and check what inside. Very big box. Here it is. Now I list some famous products from Apple to compare the size, how big it is. This is i5, Mac Air, and iPad. Can you imagine it? Experience. Now can you imagine it? How big it is? Let me take the protective film off. Okay, can you imagine it? First, the appearance, introduction. This comes in black, not dark black, a little gray. I think it is dark gray. Have you been seeing the Mega from Samsung Galaxies? About the same. We can find the front camera as this one is in gray, so it is a little harder to find the sensor and the camera. Okay, hold on please. I'd like to show you another in white. The white come. Now the appearance in white, we can see it more clearly. As the one point I'd like to introduce as the front panel, the surface of the front panel black. You can find it when under sunshine. Sorry. When under sunshine, you will find some like golden under the surface. It is shine, flashing. It is hard to take by camera. If you check by your eyes, you will find it shine like silver, not golden. Very cool. Okay. As this one equipped with a 6.44 inch, we almost called it 6.5 inch. Let's open and see inside. Very nice in structure. Can you see? And very big battery. Can you find the capacity? And here we can find two SIM card slots, one in WCDMA, one in GSM, and WCDMA slot available for both WCDMA and GSM, and one micro SD card slot. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Okay, very nice earphone. Check. In-ear earphone, in-ear type, very nice. And power charger. This is cable, data cable, and power charger cable. Battery and use manual. It's in English, so it is not hard to guide you to use this phone, right? Good. And protective film, the final one. This is very important. Smart cover. Smart cover, right? I will make a review a little later about the smart cover. Okay, the unboxing review finished. Thank you very much. Bye bye.